teaching animation at the Ateneo Grade School, Animation Club, grade 6, 5, and 3. And then he's also teaching now sound at Mapua Institute of Technology, and by next sem, I think he's teaching animation at Fine Arts in UP. This is your spider.
The spider's thread.
Spider's thread. Of several artists and animators working on scratch on film. Yung film strip na spent na, either scratch, paint on it, stick stuff on it, then yun yung i-playback, na-capture siya ulit, lalatagan ng music, tapos yun yung makikita niyo mamaya. The next one will be works by students from different workshops held at the CCT and at the UP South Center. And the last one is, that's it. Yeah. Yung first template.
Sculpture na inaman nila na. Yung ibigay sa amin ako. Buwan nyo, tama. At yung last year workshop na ginanap sa UP Film Center, na nag-participate mga 5 students, pero nakatapos bali 4 lang. So gumawa sila ng iba't ibang klaseng animation. Merong animation, merong line drawing. Yung last part, bali yung pinaka-pinali na ginawa nila na sound animation na on the spot na sinutan. Kaya makita niyo talaga na walang editing yung last part. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Miss Gloria. Ayan, kaya ano talaga yun? Kung meron pang nananalig kay Gloria dito, baka ma-open. Konting background lang, yung series of animations na yon, ginawa talaga siya as introduction for artists dun sa isang concert na ginawa namin sa UP Los Baños. So originally, at the end of every animation, ini-introduce ni Gloria yung mga artists, yung performers. Pero tinanggal na namin yung part na yan na nag-introduce. Pero mas nakakatawa siguro kung introduce na yung banda. Tapos, ayun, siya, medyo satirical, exaggerated na presentation ng mga issues. Sorry, sir. Yan, satirical, exaggerated na presentation ng mga issues na kinakaharap ng bansa natin ngayon. Tapos, ano kasunod? Paring ba? Yung kasunod naman, production din ng Southern Tagalog Exposure tsaka ng Artists for the Removal of Gloria. So ano to, collaborative work ng iba't ibang artists. Pamagat niya, tuparin natin ang banta ng ating panahon. Isa siyang music video animation na nanalo sa Gawad CCP. Second place for animation. Yan, collaboration siya ng iba't ibang artists. So, yung nagsulat, nung lyrics, isang poet, si Alex Romolino, yung nag-perform, yung nag-compose ng music, si Bobby Balingit ng The Woods, yung nag-perform ng spoken word, si Lourdes De Vera ng Radioactive City Project. At yung muli, si Teta, yung gumawa ng shadow play animation na naka-incorporate sa video. Tapos yung huli, yung World War III. Ayun din, production din siya ng Arrest Gloria at saka Southern Tagalog Exposure. Music video naman to ni Dong Abay. Yan, panoorin niyo na lang kung saan.
The title is, sige, Yossi pa.